Selfridges London, the iconic building that was founded in 1908. It was designed as an experiential retail. So you go in, there's all kinds of crazy stuff to see, colors and sculptures everywhere. Old school London right there. It must be tea time. We are launching the Snap Ring downstairs at Smart Tech. They're the purveyors of cutting edge technology inside Selfridges here. We're going in for the big launch to talk to press, influencers. I got my pink kicks on. Let's do this. Mirrored trees. This is the future of Christmas right there. We're live here at the Smart Tech party. Here's our display. We got 3 rings in here. We got Glacier, we got Neon Candy, we got Nocturnal, our 3 colors that we're launching with. As you can see behind me, this is a freaking crazy party. Pan over here, this place is like packed. They're making cocktails over here with a robot. They're making 3D chocolate of your face over there in the corner. I mean, this place is absolutely bonkers right now. This robot just made me a cocktail.
Just hold on, just hold on.
All right, these are the brand new Series 3 Snapchat Spectacles. You have 2 cameras, one on each side, so that you can get depth of field, so then you can overlay augmented reality on top of it. And we see right here, they're overlaying the augmented reality on the footage that you're taking with your camera. The crazy thing about this is that this is the exclusive retail channel for Snapchat in Europe. This is amazing. You want to do a photo? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Look at this.
The martini cancels the espresso, it's fine.
Espresso martini. Is this cannibalism? That's incredible.
This all together, but I still feel like I'm alone. Just hold on, just hold on, just hold on.